Look at his little wings, they move.
She got her own little plume up there too.
Yeah, I think Cora's playing peekaboo.
Where is she? Where's Kevin? Is she over there? It's okay. We can smile and we can stare because our wheels are turning and we don't know what's happening.